Hello, welcome to Successful Trading. In this is videos of option trading for beginners. We are going to bring you high on unusual stock on Thursday and today, Friday, led over 1000% profit trading weekly option. But what's even more unusual, I'm going to tell you this story through the lenses of a brand new option trader, a beginner trader, if you will, in our Discord room. You see, I always get this question, hey, Telex, how long does it take to make profit, make money trading your system? Well, let's meet Olivia. Olivia joined this channel here. As you can see, this is the beginning of our direct message with her on September the 15th. Yeah, so she didn't wait until today to make money. That was on Wednesday. My friend, if you go here, let's go to our just winner section. The first win that she recorded was actually last Friday, I believe. On here, let me try to get that. Trading FCX on Friday, no wahala. This was her return, 228% profit trading our no wahala strategy. But now what we want here, that's not the point here for us, is what happened on this stock that we traded Thursday and today for 1000% on back-to-back days, meaning 1000% on Thursday, over 1000% again today. This happened out of this breakout. The stock itself, it's quantum scope. Yeah, QS is the ticker. So let's just, switch here onto the 15-minute chart such that we can actually do what we like to do here, putting the chart of the option and the stack of the chart of the stock, easy for me to say, side by side. Yeah, so this happened on here. So what after that happened, actually let me show you the trade first. So that's so inside of our Gangster channel, this is it here. Yeah, the Gangster channel. So September 22nd was that when it broke out. So and so for us, this was the trade on here. 21 puts on QS expiring. The expiry, it's always weekly, so we trade weekly options on here. And 26 and 27 calls for 10 cents, mind you. So, but nothing actually happened on September the 22nd. Come on to the 23rd, literally, this is, what time was it here? The time here is 6:40 a.m. Pacific time. And this contract now, they start moving. From 10 cents the previous day, our buy price, they are now 16 cents. So I'm going to go and bring you the chart of the stock along with the chart of the option next to each other starting on that 23rd. So on my left hand side here, if I can manage this easily, let me not do something. All right, so on my left hand side, I have the chart of the option. This is the 27 call. The other one move exactly in the same manner. On the right hand side, we have this chart of the stock. So I'm just gonna show you some prices on here, right? So in terms of the price of the option, so at the very bottom, you will have the timestamp. So we will try to make sure that we can actually see that. So the timestamp on here is the 23rd, 9:45. The price is, how low is this thing? 6 cents. If we go to the candle before that, the opening candle 9:30, 4 cents, and erode, just kept going up the entire day pretty much. So here we are at the end of the day, the option is worth $1.11. Can you believe that? That's a ride. Actually, it's more than it takes, 1000%. Also, obviously, for with the 10 bagger denomination, we just like to call everything 10 bagger when it's above that percentage gain. So that was on the 23rd. So meaning that from a chart perspective, this is it. This is that first move on here. Let's look at the date here. This is the 23rd. Yeah. And then today, so the stock, how did the stock trade? The stock traded from an opening price of 23.85 all the way to closing very bullishly, all the way reaching 27.5. But this morning on Friday, this is what happened. Market makers, they decided to drop the stock. So the stock opened just like that with the entire market, 26.50. So now if we bring back the chart of the option for today, the same option, how low was it going for today? This thing was as low as 13 cents. That's a wonder. Yeah. That's a wonder that you can see. But how high did it go? It took it literally an hour and 15 minutes. How do we know that's an hour and 15 minutes? Each candle here represents 15 minutes. That's, we can see that under. And then look at this, from this low, 13 cents. Yeah. And then I'm going to hover to the candle, $1.75. That's back-to-back days, the same stock giving profit of more than 1000% trading option. So let's go back to our new option trading beginner, Miss Olivia. How did she manage that? So we go to the winner section, and we are just going to follow her her post on here on the winner section. So obviously that was that on there last on the 20th, posting some of her win. But now let's focus on just the wins that started on QS. So now she said something on here the other day that she learned about. Oh yeah, scaling out. Yeah, this is it. I love this comment. I love this comment. So so yeah, this was the 228% gain there. So but she said, wow, I now know how to hold on my trade longer by scaling out. If you don't know what the scale out technique is, we will teach you that here at Successful Trading. So now she's applying it to the T. So she's applying it to the T. So here's here taking partial profit on QS, 105%. That's not bad. So, and then she's like, wow, I trying to calm myself down. Yeah, because she told us she has never had a 1000%, a 100% winner prior to that. There are people out there who teach differently than we do here. So, but then now she's able to scale out. You can see 250%, 150% on the other calls. We were holding both. In her case, she was trading the 27 and the 28 calls contract. So so that was yesterday. There. Even she was even trading QQQ, folks. She's just on the roll. This is a beginner trader who joined September the 15th. Man, you're meaning we're September the 24th today. You get the idea. Then so here is a summary of the trade on here. I like what she writes at the bottom. Holy moly, everything was a huge gain. QS skyrocketed and I closed over 450% combined. That was the previous day. And then today, we even have some banter on here because there is another trader on here who's doing great. Pink Sly, we are a friendly bunch, obviously, on here. So they were talking, and I asked if, let's say, my trading system is as good as Ghanaian jollof rice. If you are, you know what jollof rice is, please share in the comments which country has the best jollof rice. So that will help Queen Sly and myself determine definitely what's going on here. So we continue on here. So the last scaling out here for her, 550% on those contract. But then today, folks, this is what happened today, right? So today, Quantum, she's trading it again. And here you can follow step by step. This was the beginning of her day. She's trading the 29 and the 30 calls. Way out of the money, folks. Yeah. So on a little bit different from us on here. And you can see here at this time, she's up 135%, 135%. So, and we can carry on, right? Quantum, this is it here, 242% gain. This is from an option trading beginner. She's out another 1/3 at 170, just using the scale axis, folks. And the funny thing, not the funny thing, the very testimony of this about this beginner trader, she actually convinced this trader, Juice, to sign up to our system. Believe it or not, they were chatting, and that she told Mr. Juice told me that, hey, it's based on this option trader beginner that he decided to join. So in case you may be wondering how to join Miss Olivia and others who are to start leveraging our option trading system to take your trading to the next level, the link is provided in the description of this video. So that you too, just like Miss Olivia, you will get the benefits of hands-on coaching. So how does our coaching happen on here? I have an online calendar. Yeah, it looks something like this. And you can see that Miss Olivia actually scheduled for a coaching session tomorrow. So with others. So on that, have a great day. Have a great afternoon. We catch you on the next episode. Bye-bye.